Pokemon bag review. Let's get into this, ladies and gents, boys and girls. Like always, thank you so much for tuning into my videos. It's greatly appreciated to know that you are there and care to watch. Hope things are well in your world. If it is not going your way, just remember that you are loved by me. So my local Value Village had a grab bag, and it looks like it has a bunch of Pokemon cards in it and a whole bunch of other stuff. So I had to buy it because I'm a sucker and you never know what goodies might be in store. So, let's see what goodies we get. Oh my gosh, dropping the deck like a mook. Look out! Well, first and foremost, I'm seeing 2022 World Championship Pokemon cards. Those are always above average, in my opinion. I've got quite a collection of those so far. Nice. And we got a Sobble. Yeah. Level ball, quick ball. Oh man, we're getting a bunch of trainers now. Oh yeah, Leon. Oh buddy. Battle VIP pass. Oh, getting some crappy energy. Now it looks like we're just getting regular old stuff. Now we're back into some regulars. Pikachu, Pumpkinhead, Trick or Trade edition. We gonna get anything in here? This is all over the place. And like, what were they doing? Eating food? That's a big chunk of disgustingness. Oh, there we go. Nice. Foil. Ooh. Play Pokemon. Ooh, this is an older one. Yeah, it's 2015. That's cool. I'm all about the collectible. I don't know. It's collectible to me because it's Pokemon related. I think it's cool because most people would throw these away. These are old and they're going to go in a framed piece because that's sick. Each one is like different. I'm digging it. Oops, bumped the camera. You're welcome. Getting a bunch of random stuff. I'm guaranteed most people have already thrown all that stuff away. But nope, I have it now. Oh, Digimon. Digimon. Digimon, digital monsters. Digimon are the champions. Digimon. Sorry, this is a Pokemon reveal, not Digimon. We're back. More Pokemon cards. I'm sure you can relate, though, because they go kind of hand in hand. Ooh, look at Inkay with Meowth in the background running after him. 2015, it's an older one. Another 2015. Baltoy. Foil. Ooh, an unknown. Yeah. Ooh, what is this? More Digimon. Digimon. Oh, it's a holographic one, too. That's probably worth something. Oh, my lord. Look at that. They dropped the card, and then they stepped on it, and there was a bunch of rocks. How do you know? Look at all the huge indents on it. Fail! What other cards we got? Just like holy randomness here. We got Digimon, and then we got, what is this? What are these things? Dual Masters. Ooh. Yeah, I'm a dual master. I'm gonna dual master it up. More Digimon. They've got more Digimon there, actually. But a different age. What year are these? Let's say 2002. Those are actually old. Those are like 20 something years old. Oh my gosh, makes me feel old. What the heck? When did that happen? Oh, look at that. Jimmy Neutron. Boy genius. Who's that? Libby. Oh yeah. See, it's so random. Like, what is this? Girl with attitude. More Digimon. Oh my gosh. And then what is this? Poke Trivia. What in the heck? Mewtwo Strikes Back. Whoa, that's cool. The first movie merch. Look at that, it says right there. That's sick. A little ripped up, but oh well. More Digimon. And then Arcanine. Topps card. And we're getting some very random stuff in this. Ooh, Kingler. First movie. Yup, first movie. Mewtwo Strikes Back. Nice, we're getting some really cool stuff in this, actually. I am stoked. Oh my lord, what did they do to Misty? Dang, Misty got destroyed. That card is just... ugh, garbage. Digimon. Oh my gosh, are we gonna find anything cool in here besides jet-propelled Jimmy Neutron? Boo! More Digimon. Dual Masters. My throat is acting up for some reason. I'm sorry, I just have to keep clearing it. Ooh, there we go. Rare holographic. Oh my lord, look at... what the hell? Hell yeah. It's not shadowless. It's got a shadow, but it's a Venusaur. Not too shabby. Winner. Hell yeah, put it over there. Winner pile. Yeah, we got something good finally. I mean, we've been getting good stuff in my opinion. The older Mewtwo cards, in my opinion, are pretty sick. I don't know what the hell are these things. Ooh, Tech Deck. Wait a minute. What? Tech Deck? They made Tech Deck cards? No way. Tech Deck dude. Woody. Alright. Go Woody. I could say something bad, but I'm not going to. Dual Masters. Brad. Oh my gosh, I'm stoked on that Venusaur. Are we gonna get any more goodies besides just random Digimon and... what is this? Bionicle. This is probably by far the most random grab bag I've ever had. There's just all over the place. But more of the Mewtwo. I'm stoked on that. We might actually have like all of them. I don't know how many there are, but we have got like 5 or 6 of them so far. That is sweet. Another OG Charmeleon. We had a Charmander there too. Come on, where's the Charizard? You know you want to be there. Oh my lord. Digimon. What is... oh, more Dual Masters. Mewtwo Strikes Back. Yeah, number 8. Oh, it's damaged. Oh well. Still cool. Still cool. Still very cool because we have basically all of them. And now we're getting Harry Potter cards. What? What the... number 7. Mewtwo Strikes Back. Yeah. Full Torb. Harry Potter. Jimmy Neutron. Oh, look at that. Mewtwo. Sick. It's not an official Pokemon card, but it's still cool. It's from one of the movies. We've got quite a few of them, as you can see over here. I don't know how many there are, actually, but we've got a lot of them. Oh my lord, we've got... this is so random. I've said it so many times, but now what are we getting? Mighty Beans cards. What the hell? Mighty Beans. Man, if you're into collecting all sorts of random cards, this was probably the grab bag for you. Oh my goodness. I was just into the Pokemon, and that wasn't really that many cards in there. But yeah, we got a Venusaur, we got a Charmander, Charmeleon, a whole bunch of Pokemon movie cards. I'm stoked. Well, that was a win. Don't care. What do you all think? Like, subscribe, comment, and share. Let me know that you're there. Do something. Hit that thumbs up button. Leave me some comments. And most of all, become a subscriber, please. And thank you. I need all the help I can get. Till next time, I love you all. Take care.